Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301083, and this is a 2022 GMC Terrain SLT, and our color is red. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on the unit. All right, so we have a power hatch, windows, mirrors, and locks. Memory seat with a power driver seat and lumbar support. We've got our interior and exterior lighting display, parking brake. Steering wheel includes heat, forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free stereo remote controls, and we are satellite radio ready. Got our auto start stop, electronic and dual climate control, push button shifters, USB charging ports. We've got heated front seats, hill descent control, lane keep assist, or all-wheel drive modes. We are all OnStar ready, sunroof controls, as well as garage door openers. And our interior color is black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a 60/40 split bench seat, a couple of USB charging ports for your rear passengers, and the back does split just in case you need some more room. And onto our exterior, we've got the roof rack, 19-inch GMC rims. We've got the rear view camera, remote hatch, a rubber floor liner for all that cargo space, an extra set of fabric mats. And there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301083. You've just checked out this red 2022 GMC Terrain SLT. Thanks so much for watching.